Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, 10th June 2024, Delhi cipher code for Hamster Combat, where you can earn 1 million coins by just adding the code. So, the today's code is Web 3. Today's code for Hamster Combat cipher is Web 3. For W, you will have to press dot and double dash. For E, you will have to press one dot. For B, you will have to press dash and triple dot. And for 3, you will have to press triple dot and two dashes. Today's code 10 June 2024 Delhi Cipher Hamster Combat is Fab 3. For W, press dot and dash dash. For E, single dot. For B, dash and dot means 3 dots. And for 3 dots and two dashes.